Hi everyone, today I'm sharing with you the easy dish that I make for my kids. You can use it for breakfast if you like. So here I have 8 large eggs and 1 whole onion. With the onion, you're going to chop it and cut into the small slices like this. I just about to say go on the sewing machine. And then you cube this to the small one. Very emotional when I cut the onion. So I use the whole onion. The more you put in here, the better taste. I have 1 whole zucchini. Crab meat, I'm gonna open the skin and then put it in here. It's so good. The whole thing in here. Gonna add about half a teaspoon of salt, about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, some black pepper, you mix it. It doesn't have to be a zucchini. You can put the carrot or whatever you want to put in here, but with the carrot, you take it, you cut it small, or you can shred it. Put in here about a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm using this brand. And basically that's it, and then we'll go on to do some fry this. We're gonna fry this and then non-stick. I'm going to add in here 1 tablespoon of pancake mix. Get like a full tablespoon. And that's it. You're gonna mix everything together. So I wipe a little olive oil in here, and then I'm going to use about this full tablespoon, like a pancake size. Not really. So I'm gonna make sure it goes on the whole side here. Don't put it too thick because you want the zucchini to be cooked too. And I go over this and let it sit there for a little while. And then we're going to flip on the other side. This is super fast and it's healthy. The test around this area, see it golden, then you can flip into the other side. And take it out. When you see it golden like this on both sides, and the bottom here is golden too, it's ready, so you can take it out. It's only vegetable, so don't worry about it. There, you're finished. And that is so simple. Now if you're adult, if you want to eat this with hot sauce or whatever sauce, you can put on the top and just serve like that. You can eat with French toast or anything you like. And that's basically it, everyone. It's nice and simple, super easy. Let me just put some hot sauce in there. I'm gonna have my husband try it and see if he like it. So let's just put the hot sauce in here. This is for my husband. He's gonna try this and he like it hot. Yeah, good breakfast. So I finished the whole 8 eggs and 1 onion, 1 zucchini, and 1 can of crab meat. This is what it looked like, everyone. It looks so delicious. I can't wait for my kid to try this. So pretty. Also, use pancake mix. It's the best. Okay? Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Love you. Take care. Stay safe.